Time to sneeze. God bless you.
I hate needles.
Hey, me too. The trick is to just look the other way when it's going in. Happy 100th birthday, Grandma! So, what's the secret to long life? God forgot about me, and the devil fears me. My 6-year-old could have drawn that. Sir? Your 6-year-old did draw that. Get that bitch out of here. Mr. Kevin, I have to talk to you. Please, have a seat. Absolutely not. I know that trick. If I sit down, you'll tell me I'm gonna die, so I prefer standing. This guy's good. This is my blood given unto you. And this is my body. Comfortable about this, Jesus? More blood? I'm sorry. There's nothing more we can do. I'm afraid we have to pull the plug. Oh God, do we have to? It's the best thing we can do for her now. Hurry up so we can go home. And me. Too short. I need to lose weight. Why even try? Insecurity breach in progress. Hey, babe.
Huh?
Are we going home together tonight? Well, I'd have to ask my magic cards first. And they're busy at the moment. So, get it going, Doug. Welcome to hell. I'm supposed to torture you forever or some shit. But God never really comes to check on us, so help yourself to the minibar. Or what? Surprise, motherfucker! Ah, shit! Happy Valentine's! I made you breakfast in bed. What? Begone, demon! Leave here! Alright, fine! Calm down, I'll go! Jeez! Hey, could I get a ride? I live way across town. We should get fries on the way. Oh no! It's death!
You've just been brushed with death. Get it? Because it's a saying, and I'm deaf. Brush. Forget you. I'm hilarious.
Meow! You wanna go outside? But you're a ghost, you can just walk through.
Huh?
I can't sleep! I'm being bitten by 1,000,000 mosquitoes! I can't see any... Oops. Sorry. No worries. Goodbye! Oh, well, this is my stop. Goodbye again! Why are you so happy?
No reason.
For no reason? How the f***? I need like 10 reasons just to break even. What's your wish, honey?
I wish no one was sad ever again.
Send them in. Freeze, sucker! Freeze! My evil plan is complete. Soon they'll see the brilliance. Soon they'll see my brilliance. They'll all see after my laser
gives the sun titties! Presenting my newest invention. Just push this button and it'll start sucking. All the dust and small particles off from the floor? We'll call it the vacuum cleaner. By golly, this is genius! Yeah.
Damn, look at that hot chick over there. I sure wish I had a wingman right about now. Did someone say wingman? Did someone say hot chick?
What the?
Wingman, away!
I can't wait for a prince to rescue me.
My lady, I have come to wed thee.
How about this one?
Meh.
One of you is an alien disguised as Brett, but only the real Brett would know when my birthday is. He's obviously an alien. Also, I have no idea when your birthday is. You, Brett, just remember that my birthday is next week. Get something cool, okay? Hi? I'm having issues with the internet. What seems to be the problem? I'm getting a lot of really mean comments. We'll send someone over right away. That'll be $75. What did you ask Santa for Christmas this year? Santa doesn't exist. How do you know? Trust me, I know. Last year, Santa? Is that you? You saw nothing, kid. In fact, I don't even exist. Capiche? Capiche? Capiche?
Yeah, you know how fast I can run.
Ah! Oh no, your kid! Shh. Don't react. Just smile.
Daddy, a meteor hit at me. Did you see?
I saw, buddy. Very cool. I'm nearly certain that kids are indestructible if you don't acknowledge their pain. I've done it! I've invented the world's finest thread. For what purpose? Ugh, yuck! What did I just walk through? Revenge.
I want to change the world.
For the better? Answer me, turtle.
I'm gonna make a difference.
That's not an answer.
Join us, Brian. We all float down here. Oh, he ran away. Maybe he doesn't like pool parties. Try balloons next time.
Did you kill that mosquito? Let's just say he won't be pestering anyone else anytime soon. Gah! Live every day like it's your last. I do. Wow, Lewis is really coming out of his shell. Huh? Lewis, get back in your shell. Lewis is fucking gross. I got the man you was looking for. Oh my god, why is he dead? Your son said you wanted him dead. Yeah, I found him like this. I'm depressed, Doc. Let's take a listen to your chest. You're suffering from internal screaming. What the? I'm home. Oh, I missed you so much. I missed you too. Dogs are so stupid, lol.
later. John called me stupid today. I've never felt so humiliated.
Do you want some drugs? Okay, Daddy. This is drugs, buddy. Drugs are bad, right?
Great!
More drugs, please.
What the?
Not all life lessons go according to plan. I need help getting rid of a body. I know a guy. He'll take care of it. Fucking cat, I swear to God!
I'm not leaving you because I don't love you. Our personalities are just too different. I'm an ENTP, I'm extroverted and empathetic. You're an IMDb, a vast collection of movie facts and trivia. This hurts more than when Viggo Mortensen broke one of his toes kicking an Urukai helmet on the set of The Two Towers.
The ads say this bottle contains liquid happiness. Happiness gave you type 2 diabetes. Switching to diet happiness might help.
Who can tell me why the leaves are green? Because chloroform! Close, Susie. It's called chlorophyll. We need a doctor! I'm a plastic surgeon. Oh my god! Thank you, God, for keeping Gus alive and for fixing his wounds.
Meanwhile,
Huh? I looked into your mental health issues and it turns out you don't have any. I don't have any issues? You don't have any mental health.
What? Could I have your phone number? Sorry, I'm more of an ass man. Oh, okay then. Coming through! Out of my way, you idiots! Wow, what an ass! He's perfect. How was school? I think my teacher thinks I need a tutor. Well, that's your teacher's opinion, and opinions are like assholes. Them.
What if I'm not the biggest? What if I'm not the fastest? Yes, yes, I'm the most useless piece of shit on earth. Who wrote poop in the fridge? That was me, I'm so sorry. That's pretty funny. Oh, yeah. Mum, there's a monster under me bed. It's the most hideous thing I've ever seen. Why do you hate me, brother?
Wait, you didn't get this package from us? But it says it was delivered. Oh, 15B, not 15C. Whoops. Yeah, I'm gonna need another finger.
Aw, look at your baby. I could just eat him alive. Whoops! 5-second rule. Nope, it's dead.
Hey, my sports team lost. This has no actual impact on my life and it shouldn't ruin my day. But I'm gonna f***ing let it.
whoa!
This dude is glaring at my ass. Time to switch to a commercial.
Drink a Coke.
Huh? Send them in. Freeze, sucker! Freeze! Oh, a new message from someone. No, I'll respond to it later. So, I can't let you win to heaven until you answer all those messages. Just send me to hell. Yeah, I figured.
What the?
Oh no, not like this! Okay, I'll wait. Number 1 or number 2?
Hey, baby. Did it hurt? Did what hurt? When you fell from heaven?
Huh?
Because you look like Satan. Satan is so sexy. Did you know how much sugar is in soda? Drinking tea is way healthier for you. Just 1 can of soda has a...
Promise me, if you ever get out, you'll find that spot. There's something buried under it that I want you to have.
What the?
Andy, no.
Sir, look at this.
Huh?
Ever since we armed all the teachers, test scores went up.
But why?
Meanwhile... Well, Timmy, what's 3 times 4? Fashion police, open up! We've got a noise complaint. Your outfit is too loud.
Oh no! We forgot to say grace! Ah! Ah! Yeah! Too late!
I'm proud of you, son. There is no medium for sound to travel through in space. I'm sorry I can't hear you. There's no medium for sound to travel through in space.
I've done it! I've invented a light bulb that runs on negative energy! That's stupid! It'll never work! I can't believe Boss forgot my birthday! I thought he was my friend! You! How did you get past my security? You let your guard down?
Well, how did the test go? I'm sorry, ma'am. There was a complication. Your son is dead. What? He was taking a math test. Oh, right. Sorry. Sorry for the mix-up. He passed. Passed away, that is. Hey, you punk! Freeze! Huh? Are you dumb? This is valuable street art. Wait, really? Sure. Oh, okay then. Come back in an hour, then you'll see it yourself.
Are we doing this the easy way or the hard way? Hard. 5, 6, 7, 8. Look at that! I own all the railroads.
Baby, I've got some bad news.
Huh?
Is it as bad as when I was mugged, beaten, raped, and left for dead in an alley? You're pregnant.
I've been expecting you. I knew you'd come to take me. Come on, take me already. Take me, dark stranger.
I'll just be a minute, phone. Hang tight. Hurry back, my love. That's sweet. Whoops, my hands are slightly damp. Who the fuck are you? You need a hobby. I got plenty of hobbies. Tennis, cooking, martial arts.
I think I'm gonna break up with Susan. I think she's an actual psychopath.
Huh?
Jeez, man. How do you know? Well, the writing's on the wall. Murder, 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 murder.
Okay.
Incorrect password.
Huh?
Change password. New password cannot be the same as got you. Cheeseburger and fries, please. Do you want a bag or should I just stuff it straight into your mouth like the lazy slob you are? Oh, the second one.
Oh my god, it's Bigfoot! Oh my god, it's Tiny Wiener. See anything cool lately? No. Shut up.
Learn to walk, pal. It's the eye of the tiger, it's the thrill of the fight. Damn. Creation, I give you life. It is time to wake up. 10 more minutes.
What the?
Hey, kiddo. How about a push? Yeah. Great. Give me a second. You coming or what? Pick up the pace. 10 miles to the next gas station.
Hello? Google? Yes, I'd like to know what data you have on me. Well, sir, we know you like pineapple on pizza and you like to listen to the Spice Girls. So nothing about any of my murders or anything? What murders? Sir, what
Dude, gum stays in your stomach for 7 years. If that were true, I'd be made of gum by now. Anywho, I gotta run. Are you stuck under the table?
God, what is my plan in life? Honestly, Daniel, I didn't count on you making it this far. Maybe go have a nice big ice cream.
Sweet! Sorry, babe. I was stuck in back-to-back meetings. Huh? Oh, gee, yours is sweaty. Yours is all hairy.
You have 2 days to live. I think I want a second opinion. You have 172,800 seconds to live. That's a much higher number.
Awesome! I finished the quiz! And with 30 seconds to spare. Wait, there's a back? The back is blank. The back is blank. I wanted to show you how much I love you, babe.
Wow!
So I rearranged my vital organs to spell out your name.
Huh?
Ow, I gotta get this undone! Well, at least his heart was in the right place. Fuck this! I'm getting my life together! That's enough progress for 1 day! If I keep this up, I'll get my life together in...
And they lived happily ever after. 10,000 years later.
You ever wonder why we ain't dead yet? Take 1 tablet every day. Those are Tic Tacs. Look, I'll be honest. I found this lab coat in a dumpster. And so, you're under arrest for practicing medicine without a license. Just play along. I found his hat in the dumpster.
What the?
Okay, everyone, get ready to move. What the hell is going on over there? The priest is sick. What will we do? It's okay. I got the sea captain to cover his duties. You fool! The christening! Wake up, Mr. Sleepyhead! Wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up! Time to wake up! Sorry, everyone. The wake's canceled.
Please help. I'm so hungry. Wow, it's the cracker.
Golly, yes. And now, using my white power, I will save the day. Hello, police? There's a hobo on my street. Help! My house is on fire! Somebody help! Hey, good luck with that. Good luck? Good luck? How's that supposed to help? Good luck! Good luck! Good luck! Good luck! My God, there's someone in here. Please, I've got kids. I'm trying to help you. Just let me finish my nap, I beg you. Today, I want to make a real sandwich with lots of good stuff. Let's see. Cereal with water? Sometimes I hate living with others. Freeze, criminal! Nice finger gun, but too bad. I've got the real thing. Ha! Oh! I just don't feel anything anymore. Nothing? Nothing. Holy shit, a bear! I'm required by law to tell you that I'm a predator. Weird law, but okay. Hello, my imaginary friend. Brian, we've been working together for years. I'm real. Yes, but is our friendship real? I'm your imaginary friend. Apparently, licking toads can get you high. Wow! And doing gentle but firm swirls works best. What? Who wrote this book? Looks like my newest creation is done. Uh-oh! These humans turn out weird. I'll put them on Earth. I'll figure it out.
Huh? Wow. Hello!
I wish for a cheeseburger. I have terminal cancer!
Huh?
You have another wish. You know, it takes 2 cheeseburgers to cure terminal cancer. Rise and shut. Mind if I sit here? I'm saving the seat for my boyfriend. Oh. I have a girlfriend!
I'm so lonely. Oh! Somebody that I used to know.
Hey, watch it, buddy. I inherited this shirt from my father's 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 father. What an ugly shirt. I'll give it to my son. You like rock? Dude, I love rock. Hell yeah, rock is the best. What about metal? Metal rules, man. So Daddy had a female visitor while you were here with him? Yes. Did she, you know, spend the night there then? Yes, all 3 of them did. Too much information, Anita. Too much. Why are you blushing, Mom? You work too much. You should be enjoying life. You're wasting time. You should be working more. What do you want from me? And how am I talking to my own mind? I slept like a baby last night. Last night? Uh-oh, I shit my pants. Ah! Welcome to hell. Pizza?
Wow.
Oops, I forgot to mention, it's hot enough to melt your mouth off. Dude, Dude, stop! Save me a slice for Christ's sake. Sorry. Aw, that won't be long, buddy. Aw. Dang, forgot my keys.
Benjamin, how long has it been? Spare me no detail.
Right, this is it. All that practicing is about to pay off. Seriously? I'm so bored. Me too. Wait, I have an idea. Tell me. Okay, bear with me.
Honey, I think our special delivery is here.
Uber Eats is awesome. I'm too weak to pull you up. What do I do? Trust your instincts. My instincts tell me to let go. Actually, you should listen to your heart. My heart says I should let go. What? No, wait. Go with your gut. Gut says let go. Okay, but what about your kneecaps? Dude, please! Help! My house is on fire! Somebody help! Hey, good luck with that. Good luck? Good luck? How's that supposed to help? Good luck! Good luck! Good luck! Good luck!
That buoy is blocking my view of the sunset. Well, you know what they say. Boys will be boys!
We can all agree that this murder was justified.
Hey, dude!
You kids need to stop saying dude. It's disrespectful. And yes, I will die on this hill.
Dude! Here lies shitty old man. Last night was really something. I've never done it as a bat before. Here you go. Have a nice day.
Wow.
Thank you, I will. What the hell did I just tell you? Here! Don't fuck it up this time! Today, children, you will learn the miracle of flight. Fly or die! Didn't realize I raised a failure. Don't touch it or the mom will reject it.